Okay, let's do a really quick video. I'll use the battery from Black & Decker. This is the Black & Decker battery. It is Black & Decker 20 volt. And as of right now, it doesn't fit. It should fit because I use this battery, the Porter K battery, on the Black & Decker tools. This is actually brand new, so I haven't used it yet. So if you look here, oops, you need to cut this piece off right here, this little tab right here, this piece right there, because it's hitting this thing right here. Actually, this one, this side. So let me cut this tab off right here. So use a knife and maybe a lighter to heat it up. More thing. Then use a needle nose plier. Try to get it out. That. Heat up some more. Okay, things out. There you go. Let's try it out. Still stuck. Might work. Nope, not yet. A little more. Okay, here's the other problem. Just need to cut this off right here. And this side too. So, take it out. Cut this thing. And just cut it. This side. There we go. It fits. Yeah, decently. And now turn it on. There you go. This is Black & Decker battery, 20 volt, on a Porter cable tools. Okay, hope you like it.